If you have ever built an object avoiding robot, you probably use this sensor, and this thing is cool. It's super simple to use, but once your project gets complicated and you have to perform a lot of tasks on a single Arduino board, it's quite hard to use it. I'm going to build such a project that will have to do quite a lot of things and not only object avoidance. And that's why I designed this board. This board lets you delegate or outsource, or however you would call it, the task of measuring the distance with ultrasonic sensor. The output of this thing is binary, so you can measure it fastly. You can change the detect distance with the potentiometer, and the LED will let you know when the distance is smaller than the set value. This project is simple, easy and cheap to make. If you would like to buy a PCB for it, you can check out my Attiny store, link is in the description. And now let's solder that, but before, a quick note from a sponsor.
This video is sponsored by jlcpcb.com. jlcpcb is a website where you can order 10 PCBs 10 by 10 cm for just $2. Visit jlcpcb.com to learn more. Here are few parts that we'll need: a PCB HCSR04, potentiometer Attiny 45, some headers, 200 ohm resistor and LED. Full list of all of the parts is in the description. There is also a link to Instructables if you want more detailed instruction. And now we can just solder all of the parts. To upload the program, we can use USB ISP programmer or any other compatible programmer. You can even use Arduino for that. Google Arduino as programmer to learn more. Arduino sketch can be found on my GitHub. Power it with 4.5 up to 5 volts. Adjust the distance that you want to detect with potentiometer on board. When the distance is smaller than set value, LED is turned on and there is high signal on the output pin. Detect distance can be set between 0 and 200 centimeters. To use it with Arduino, we need to connect GND, VCC and out pins. To read the signal, we can use a digital read method. Of course, you can use it with any microcontroller board, for example Arduino Nano. It's perfect for your robots, but also other things. It will help me a lot in my next big project that I'm working on right now. So subscribe to don't miss it. Thank you very much for watching, happy making, bye!